So this guy right here earned $1,166. This is on the 19th of August 2020. This guy right here earned $1,758. Okay, also on the 19th of August 2020. This little gentleman here earned $17. Okay, on the 18th. Okay, so that's income statistics from this site. So I'm going to show you what this site is now, and also how you've been possibly led to believe that you can earn these huge amounts of money in such a short time. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is Make Honest Money Online. Okay, so basically Branson Tay also released a video about this recently, showing you that how you can make money with PAIDVERTS and huge incomes. Okay, huge income claims for this website. But what he's actually showing you is blatant lies. So what he shows in his video is basically that this site offers you the ability to watch videos, and you can speed up these videos to earn money. But the video is showing is basically just the ad for PAIDVERTS. Okay, so this, you will not get paid for watching this ad. This ad is just basically there to show you how you can earn with PAIDVERTS itself. Okay, you will not earn anything by watching videos. Okay, they do not even offer you to watch videos. Okay, and the income these guys earn is over a long period of time. So I went to test out the website for myself, and this is my dashboard. As you can see, on my first day I made just over 2 cents. Okay, they also give you the BAPS points. I had about 398 of them, or 68, and I converted it to cash, and it took it up to just over less than a cent of how much of quarter or what, less than a cent. Okay, so this is the cash. This is the BAPS that I converted, as you can see. And now for you guys that stay tuned to the end of this video, I will give you a great opportunity to make real money online, just using a form of social media. Okay, so just stay tuned to the end of this video and I will share it all with you. But first let me get through this one right here. So what you can do is basically the site pays you to click on ads or view others ads. Okay, so it's buy ads here, which is a legit method to make money. Which if you have, for example, click ads, which you push ads, which you get paid for, you can load your ads on here, purchase clicks for your ads. Okay, and that's how it works. Now you can earn money through paid ads. Okay, so clicking these paid ads will give you this amount of money, but there's always only 9 every day. There's always only 9 ads which you can watch. Okay, and it's not gonna earn you a lot of money, I can guarantee you that. After the 9, you come back tomorrow, there's another 9. So they don't give you a lot to watch at the same time, and this cannot be done automatically. You need to be on the site personally to click the ads. Then they've got the click grid here, which works more or less like a lottery. So you are going to click one of these and it's going to show you an ad. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go back to where I was before. Okay, can we just show you how it works? So you need to confirm the captcha here. Just reload this page. Ah, damn it. Let's go back to the dashboard. So basically, you click this and you need to confirm that you are watching the ad. Takes a few seconds to load, and you could earn 1 cent, but in reality guys, I've actually clicked this thing about say over 56 times and I haven't earned anything. Okay, so they are earning regardless of if you are getting the 1 cent or not. So it's basically like a lottery where you have 1 in a how many million chance of getting that 1 cent. Okay, And then there's also cash offers. Now the catch with the cash offers is that you need to spend a certain amount of cash on the platform, okay, and view at least 50 ads. So there's requirements to meet for you to access these, which will be able to let you earn more money. There's also pay to click walls where you can click ads, but this I wouldn't recommend any of these. Just show you while it's loading. Okay, so it's like, look at the earnings, 0.00016. That's not even money. Okay, it's worthless. No one can survive on that. Okay, so for 2 cents a day, I wouldn't recommend anyone using this website. Okay, we all know that Branson Tay and his similar little fanboys are all lying to you guys. There's really one end goal in sight for them, which is basically the YouTube ad revenue, and also you signing up to the courses that they recommend you sign up to. You can watch their videos or engage with their courses at your own peril. That's all up to you. I don't want to make you up your minds for you, but I just want to make you aware that a lot of these methods will never actually help you. Okay, I have a list of legit earning sites below in the description. So now for the awesome bonus that I promised you guys. So there's this website which basically, actually 2 of them, which pay you to post on their platforms. Okay, the money is not that great, but over time it does accumulate. The first one is WebTalk. Okay, webtalk.co. I'll leave links to it below in the description. As you can see, I haven't signed up yet. I had an account with them about a few months ago, but I deleted it. So what I'm going to offer you guys is the first subscriber who goes to sign up and leave his referral link in the bottom of this video in the description, I will sign up to under your referral link, and I will refer people under you. Because what happens here is you get money for basically, it's like a 50 tier program where for example, if I sign up someone, you still get paid. And if that person signs up someone and the person under him signs up someone, you always still get paid. Okay, you get paid for engaging with people's content, sharing their content on social media like videos or blog posts. Okay, which is really easy to do. Also, another platform you can also do this, which actually pays you more than WebTalk from the start, is a Virally. Now Virally, what happens is with Virally you can post content on Virally. Okay, they don't actually take videos. I'm not really sure about the videos, but you get basically 1,000 Virally points is $1, and a lot of people go well over that within 1 day. Okay, and they allow you to withdraw your money via PayPal. Okay, I'm just gonna show you a video of this guy right here. He earned money from WebTalk already. I wasn't able to find a video from someone who earned money from Virally. So as you can see here, that this is his earnings. Okay, and that's his confirmation that he's been sent this payment, and that's also here you will able to see that he withdrew his money to pay here. So this opportunity is really legit. Okay, if you guys want to, you can sign up to the platform. I'll choose one a referral link from WebTalk, and I'll choose a referral link of Virally from another subscriber. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. I will also be showing you a different site tomorrow, legit earning site, easy to apply. Okay, and it's you can make up to $50 a day from it. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the content with your friends.